7 Real Photos NASA Can't Explain Intro, the unexplainable silence of space. Out there, beyond the skies we know, lies a vast, endless darkness, a place filled with stars, secrets, and silence. But sometimes, the silence speaks. NASA has taken thousands of photos from the edge of the unknown, but a few of them defy every scientific explanation. They are real, verified, and they challenge everything we think we know. These are 7 real photos NASA can't explain. Welcome to 7thMyst. Every week we uncover the most haunting mysteries of space, science, and time itself. Stay until the end, because what you're about to see might change the way you look at the universe forever. 7. The Face on Mars. It started in 1976. NASA's Viking 1 probe captured a strange image on the surface of Mars. A mountain shaped like a human face, eyes, nose, mouth, perfectly aligned. NASA called it an illusion, just shadows. But even with modern photos, the structure's shape still remains. Coincidence? Or the last remnant of something ancient? 6. The Black Knight Satellite. Since the 1950s, strange signals have been detected orbiting Earth. An object dark and silent circling our planet in perfect rhythm. NASA says it's debris, but it moves on its own, changing position, changing altitude. Some say it's an alien satellite, watching us for centuries. A silent observer older than all our space technology combined. 5. The Lunar Tower Anomaly. In early lunar photographs, something massive stood tall on the moon's surface. A towering structure, casting a long, sharp shadow across the lunar dust. Moments later, those same images disappeared from NASA's public archives. Was it a glitch or deliberate erasure? Some believe the tower is still there, a silent relic, waiting in the darkness. 4. The Saturn Hexagon. On the north pole of Saturn, there's a storm that refuses to make sense. A massive hurricane is spinning in the shape of a perfect hexagon. 6 equal sides. Flawless symmetry. Scientists can't explain how nature could form something so geometric. Is it physics or something far greater than we understand? 3. The Lights of Ceres. In 2015, NASA's Dawn spacecraft captured mysterious glowing lights on the dwarf planet Ceres. They pulse, they flicker, they move as if alive. NASA said it's just reflective salt, but the light patterns change, unpredictably, almost intelligently. Are they reflections or signals? Even today, the answer remains hidden in the shadows of the asteroid belt. 2. The Apollo 17 shadow figure. During the final Apollo mission to the moon, one photo stood out from all the rest. Reflected in an astronaut's visor, a tall humanoid figure standing just a few meters away. The problem? No one else was there. Every astronaut was accounted for, except that shadow. NASA never gave a clear answer, and that image still haunts space history. 1. The Martian Door. In 2022, NASA's Curiosity rover captured something unbelievable. A doorway carved perfectly into the rocks of Mars. Straight edges, flat walls, clean corners. NASA dismissed it as erosion, but the shape is too perfect to ignore. A doorway in the middle of nowhere, leading to a question we may never be ready to answer. Ending, the truth before our eyes from the face on Mars. To the glowing lights of Ceres, these photos are real, unaltered, undeniable. And each one whispers the same message. We don't know as much as we think we do. So what do you believe? Which of these photos hides the real truth NASA doesn't want to explain? Tell us in the comments below and let your theory be heard. And before you go, if mysteries, space, and the unknown fascinate you, hit subscribe. Turn on the notifications and join the growing community of minds exploring the strangest corners of reality. Because here, on 7thMyst, the truth isn't out there. It's right before your eyes,